Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Jill, and today we're going to discuss the sound difference that Dynamat has either made or didn't make when it comes to the Badlands being drove. Does it make a difference with all the Dynamat that we put into this vehicle, in the doors, the floors, and the cargo area? Yes. The answer is yes. It has made a very noticeable difference. And to just start it off, I'm just going to go ahead and just do this. That's versus to with Dynamat, without Dynamat. It's very noticeable on just that too, even the back door. Very noticeable. Sorry, I got bombed by a butterfly. Now we're going to go ahead and take it down to the Interstate and drive that and see how well it does. I have not taken it on the Interstate yet. I've just been driving it for a few days just around town, here and there, piddling around, whatever, you know, running there, making sure that everything's charged and working properly, because it's been sitting for over 77 days with, you know, no interior and a dead battery. I just want to make sure everything's running and operating like it should. So I've been running it around quite a bit this week. And even in town at low speeds at 45, 50 miles an hour, you can definitely tell a difference between the noise level. So let's go 70 miles an hour and see what happens, and see if there's a difference in noise level there. I'll see you then. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the Badlands onto the Interstate. I figured that'd probably be the best way to check the noise difference between with and without Dynamat. So that's what we're doing. I've been driving around for a couple days, you know, off camera and everything, and I've noticed a big difference. It is very much quiet. Noticeable, especially going, you know, highway speeds. So if y'all are up to it, gut your interior and just lay it all down, like every bit of it. The road noise is a lot less. The doors are really quiet. It's even noticeable when you're not moving. Alright, so we just got back from the Interstate, and yes, I fully recommend just doing all-out Dynamat throughout the entire thing. I mean, if you're already going to do the floor, you have to take the cargo area out anyway to take out some of the panels for the floor. So why not just do everything? I mean, for under $1,000 or just maybe slightly over $1,000, why not just do the door, the floor, and the cargo area and have a quieter ride? Makes sense to me. That's my recommendation. Dynamat, you did good. I'm not sponsored by them at all. I'm just letting you know that your product is very much worth the money and the time and the effort to take out the interior and put it back in after its installation. I will link all the videos down below for the installation only for the Dynamat. Yes, it is a little bit of an effort and time consuming to get everything out of this car. It does take a team effort to get it done, but I mean, technically you can knock it out in a weekend. Once you get the Dynamat there, of course. But I mean, it's technically a weekend job. It's not that bad. Just don't let it sit for 77 days like we did. So if you like this kind of content, just, you know, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure the notifications are on. That way you don't miss any of our videos. We upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to get a hold of us, you can DM us at 151 Garage on Instagram, or you can email us at 151garage@gmail.com. We also have a website, 151garage.com. You can check that out. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, if you want to save 10% on your purchases at buckyourbronco.com, use the code 1, the word 5, and 1. So it's the number 1, the word 5, and the number 1. And that saves you 10% off on your purchases of your Boyd rails. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.